right, so wait. Let's go up first. But bushings are out. Oh, girl.
Oh, girl.
You wanna screw
her
that?
Lift her up was where we belong.
Do some screwing.
Do we need to move it over though? It's not.
Lift me up where we belong. Over that lame ass.
Should be
song,
up
dude.
higher than that one, right?
Yeah, you have some serious jacking off to do.
All right. Tell me when you're happy with our jacking.
You've actually,
Gone too far.
You've gone
it's kind
too
of
far.
Separated too much.
yeah. Because we gotta be able to get.
No.
It's like it's a little bit. If you look at it from here,
Yeah, it's
we're
cocked.
not square at all.
Yeah, the spring needs to come this way.
I mean, I feel like we need to kind of hammer on the spring a little bit to get it.
Where's the other?
What do we need?
We should put one jack under there and then jack this here.
Oh, put one.
grab another
keep it
one?
up. Yeah.
There we go. Get the baby.
Are you ready, girl?
Get the baby.
Snackies.
Stackies for who?
I'll leave you alone if you give me more.
Look at, she wants more. She's like, more? More snack?
Okay.
More treat?
I'll call him and see.
More treat?
One more.
Last time I tried. No, I know, but they didn't want to
more
do
treat.
it like during the whole.
More treat.
Um,
Just a little purple power.
Yeah.
All right, so we have our end link coming apart.
Someone's screwing it from the bottom.
Yeah, you're just threading it out. Then we'll go do the same thing on the other side, all right?
Okay.
Pretty scuzzy, huh, Wick?
Yeah.
And they've spent half the class cleaning it already. Look in this trash can, it's full of...
That's probably what kept the bush with the rubber preserved.
Yeah, grease coated.
That was always my dad, so he never wanted to see me empty
Yeah, I didn't
Whoops.
Cool.
Sorry about that. Oh shit, is it almost there?
Yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Well, they were, before they started paying for the next one.
Yeah.
Funny how that was.
There we go. Okay, now
Now what do we do?
the problem is the nut didn't come off down here on the bottom.
Okay.
So we need a pair of vice grips.
Okay.
Vice grips. Anybody vice grips? Please.
How big is that?
Mid-grade. Just gotta get the other side of that nut off. And that'll come out. And we'll do the other side.